Have you found that when you ask people for a link, they ignore you? Trust me, I know the feeling. That's how I started out with link building. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down how to convince website owners to link out to your website, big and small websites. I'm talking about the big authority sites like Wikipedia and New York Times, all the way to the tiny sites. Now, before I dive into this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel. And if you're on social media like YouTube, click the alert notification. Before going after a backlink opportunity, ask yourself the following questions. 1. What problem does your content help their audience solve? If it doesn't help them solve anything, probably not going to get a link. 2. What differentiates your content from other pieces of content out there on the same topic? Keep this in mind. Billion+ blogs on the internet. So much content that there's content overload on every topic. Even boring topics like auto insurance. Did you know in the United States there's over 7 billion results for auto insurance? There's like 300-something million people. There's way more content on auto insurance than people actually buying it. 3. Is your content more up-to-date than another piece of content that they're linking out to? Just as I mentioned that there's over 1 billion blogs, Google has their prime pickings. If yours isn't more up-to-date, you're not going to rank as well. I get so much traffic because my team updates over 100 of my old blog posts each and every single month. I have a whole team that just does that. 4, is there a broken link that your content piece could replace? Check this out. If someone's linking to someone and that link is broken, what does it do? Creates a terrible experience. I'm like, man, this site's linking out to other people that don't even exist. Bad experience. Telling that person to fix it, they'll appreciate it. Now, here are some do's and don'ts when it comes to convincing website owners to link out to your website. Don't beg like a puppy. Your content's great. Your product's amazing. Have that confidence. Just like you would do when you would ask someone out on a date. You wouldn't beg someone to marry you. You wouldn't beg them out on a date. Don't beg. People should link to you. And if they shouldn't link to you because your content's mediocre, your product's mediocre, your service is mediocre, fix it. Don't pretend that you came across their content. Let them know you searched for it and you're looking for broken links and that they should replace it because it's a terrible experience. Don't use outreach templates without modifying them to your own voice. You have a personality. Use it. People like it. And if they don't, that's their problem because you know what? Your personality is great. Now let's go over some do's. Do find the right person that'll be able to make this decision. A lot of people just email webmasters. I don't know why. Email the person that wrote the article. And do use visual content. People love visual content. The easiest way I get links is through videos and infographics other than tools. That helps so much. And do use data to back up your content. People don't want to just link to article. They want to link to stats, data, to help emphasize their points and make them look like an expert. Remember how Google has this expertise, authority, trust? People want to use stats and data to show that they're an expert. And another do, build a relationship with the website content creators before asking for backlink. Now I have a question for you and leave a comment below. Do you actually build a relationship with people before you ask them for a link? If you do, let me know in the comments saying, yes, I build a relationship. If you don't, say, no, I don't build a relationship, I just asked for a link. That yes or no will help me see where you're at, and I want you to build a relationship first, and I'm just curious. How many of you actually build relationships? Another do, apply the advice of that content creator and tell them about the results you've got. People love other people using their content and the results and then asking for a link. People have done it on me and I'm like, man, I preach this. Don't use it on me, but okay, here you go. Here's the link. Do, another one, address their audience needs and wants and problems. Because if you do that, you're going to be more successful. And another do is follow up. Now here's my last tip for you, and this works exceptionally well. I want you to go to Ubersuggest. Type in your domain. In the left-hand navigation, look at the backlinks report and check out the backlinks opportunity report. The backlinks opportunity report, in there you put in your domain and then 2 to 3 of your competitors, ideally 3 if not more. This will show you all the people that link to your competitors that don't link to you. Here's what's cool. If someone links to not just 1, not just 2, but 3 of your competitors, which is what this report will show, and they link to many of your competitors, but they don't link to you, chances are they'll be willing to link to you too, and they don't mind linking to other websites in your space, But you just got to use some of the do's that I mentioned. Better content, stats data, visual content, showing them where broken link is, and then you'll get the link. That's the strategy that I use. So I use all these do's and combine it with that backlinks opportunity report in Ubersys. If you need my team to just help build these links for you using the strategies I just mentioned, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell the people about it. Thank you for watching.